Hello friends, Amanda with Happy Hoppas here. I am so excited to show you the newest collaboration between Harry Potter and JuJuBe. There is no release date for this print yet, but as soon as it becomes available, I will put it down in the description below, as well as my blog, happyhoppas.com, happy, H-A-P-A-S, hoppas.com. All right, so this is called Catch the Golden Snitch. It is absolutely beautiful. It is a very pretty neutral tone, which is going to be perfect for fall. You have this like antique brass hardware. It is metal plate, and it says Harry Potter JuJuBe. I'm going to turn this around to give you a better view of the print. So you have your golden snitch, you have your bat, you have the broomsticks, you have your quaffle, you even have the stadium where they play Quidditch with the goalposts. You have your golden snitch right here. And then you also have the house initials. So you have S for Slytherin, H for Hufflepuff, R, yep, that's an R for Ravenclaw, and then Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and then Gryffindor, and then there's a G right there for Gryffindor. So you can kind of see they are very pretty. I really like this snitch right here. It's so pretty. Then you have them in like the clouds, like they're up in the air playing Quidditch. Just love all the details in this print. It is kind of like, so it is printed. It kind of looks like it's a linen material, but it is printed, so you don't have to worry about it snagging. It's machine washable. So you have like this kind of linen light gray in the background, and then with all the Harry Potter design on front. It's very, very pretty. All right, so JuJuBe was kind enough to send me a Zealous, a mini BFF, as well as all 4 house straps. I will go into these in detail more, but let's go over the Zealous first. All right, so as you know, I am a big fan of the BRB, and the Zealous is very similar to the BRB with some slight differences. Actually, real quick, let's go over the hardware. So you have the nameplate, and then you have Harry Potter JuJuBe on one side. Let's go that way. Harry Potter JuJuBe on one side, and then on the other side you kind of have like the house flags for when they play Quidditch. And I have up close pictures of these in my blog, so it'll be much easier to see these up close without the lighting and it does not want to flip around. Okay, there we go. Let's try this. That's a good, but yeah, pictures on my blog are so much better. My camera's just not catching the detail. There you go. And then another zipper pull. Oh, there you go. It's better here. Another zipper pull you have is the Hogwarts emblem, also in that antique brass. And then on the back side, you have Harry Potter JuJuBe. All right, so getting back to the Zealous, it is very similar to the BRB with some slight differences. So you have the main compartment, and it has this beautiful white and gray checker with all the house logos. So Gryffindor, you have a Hogwarts house logo with all 4 in the crest. You have Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, and Slytherin. How pretty is that? I love that bright pop of color on the interior of the bag. All right, let's do this front pocket first. There's one pocket down here, and it is just one pocket. It doesn't have any interior pockets within it. And then the mommy pocket, or daddy pocket, or parent pocket, whatever you want to call it. So flop that down. You do have one zipper right here. And then that goes all the way down to the bag. You have your key leash, and then you have 2 pockets right here. All right, come on. All right, and then you have a top zipper right here. And it is soft lined, so it's a great place for phones or anything, or tablets or anything that you don't want to get scratched. And then it does have stroller hooks on either side. And then we're gonna move to the back real quick. It has a seatbelt strap grab handle, if you just need to grab it out of the car. And then this is the back. So this is the difference from the BRB. It doesn't have the mesh lined on the back, but the straps are padded in mesh line, so it still keeps you cool when you're wearing it. And then it has adjustable ties on the bottom. All right, and then moving back to the main compartment, you have gussets on either side. So that's the difference between the BRB. The BRB flaps down all the way. And this has gussets to keep this front flap from falling down all the way. It does come with a change pad. This is a light change pad. It is not a lined change pad, but that would still be really cute to bring just in case of emergencies. You have the elastic straps right here. I like to use them for my wipes. You have one big elastic pocket right here, 2 mesh elastic pockets, and then on the front flap you have another 2 mesh elastic pockets. So yeah, that is the Zealous, and I'll put a link to a packing video too down below. I just wanted to show you all the prints in this. I just wanted to do a first looks in this print, and then also 2 stretchy elastic water bottle pockets. And yeah, that is it for the Zealous. All right, moving on to the mini BFF. Very cute. You have this one little zipped pocket right there. I like to kind of keep my keys in there. And then you have same zipper pulls as before. You have the JuJuBe Harry Potter with the house flags on these. Ooh, I'm having a rough time today. All right, so you have one big pocket, and then there is a mesh pocket back here. And my iPhone 12 Pro Max does fit in this area. It does not fit in this back pocket anymore. With a case, with a pop socket, it does fit in here. And yeah, this one's pretty much like an easy pack bag. There's not too much to it. My son likes to carry this, and my daughter likes to carry these. It's their new favorite bags. It does come with a adjustable crossbody strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody, or you can make it a backpack. We're gonna take these off. Bottom clip like this, and then you're gonna loop it around this top D-ring like that. Actually, we can go this way. And then loop it to the bottom D-ring, the other bottom D-ring. So it's gonna look like this when you're done. It'll look like that when you're done. And that's how you make it a backpack. How cute is that? All right. And then real quick, I'm gonna show you the house packs, and I will even attach them to the mini BFF so you can kind of see how they look. All right, so So these are house packs. These are all sold separately from the collection. You have Hufflepuff, and these are all woven straps, adjustable. I have all the measurements for the straps shortest to longest in my blog. And you have this vegan leather embossed with the house animal, as well as the name of the house. So this is Hufflepuff. You've got the little badger right there. And again, I have close-ups of all these in my blog. So sometimes it's just a little bit easier to see in pictures. And then each strap comes with a removable tassel that you can attach to your keys, to your bag. So it has this clasp as well as a key ring, so you can attach your keys to it if you want. And then it has a vegan leather tassel as well, again with the house crest. Like I said, this is Hufflepuff, and I have much better close-ups on my blog of all of these details. My camera's just not picking it up right now. But yeah, I really like this. All right, that's Hufflepuff. And then you have Ravenclaw. There's Ravenclaw. Again, vegan leather. You got the house colors. And then it's a navy blue tassel with the Ravenclaw house crest. And then Slytherin. There's the Slytherin. And it's all the antique brass, so it matches the Catch the Golden Snitch hardware. You got Slytherin with a green tassel. And then also, fun fact, I don't have any of the hang tags on this collection, but when you order it through JuJuBe or your small retailer, the hang tags can also be doubled as a bookmark, which I love that they did that, so it's just not going in the trash. So you have Gryffindor, and then you have a red tassel with the Gryffindor lion. All right, and then since I'm House Hufflepuff, we are gonna put let's put it on here. So I have my Hufflepuff strap. I have my Hufflepuff strap on my mini BFF. And like I said, I have comparisons of all of these on my blog. I'm a shorty, but it's very cute. And then you can also, if you don't need the messenger strap, you can just put the tassel on your backpack, which I think I'm gonna do because I always have the kids with me. So I'm always carrying a backpack with all our stuff. And I kind of like that bright pop of color. Ooh, it's tangled. All right, well, you get the gist. But see, look how pretty that is. And I have comparisons with all the house straps and tassels on my blog with this print, as well as many other prints. I have Honeydukes and Platform 9 3/4 as well as all the chromatics. I did it all for this print. So, but yeah, I am very excited about this collection. Again, no release date, but I will let you know when JuJuBe does release that info. Just make sure to subscribe to my blog, and I'll let you know when that pops up. And feel free to follow me on Instagram at happy.hoppas. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye!